You said you've been alone for so long, raising your daughter on your own. No one beside you through the night, carrying the weight all alone.
But then you gave your trust to me, the only man I let inside. You shared your voice across the phone, your heart no longer has to hide.
Why only now you came into my life, when all my tears have fallen, when I've learned to fight? If love is true, then tell me how. Why do you come? Why only now? You said I'm the first you've given, your Facebook, your heart, your time. No other man has touched your world, but now your hand is holding mine.
Oh, the years of silence fade away, your story reaching into me. Could it be fate? Could it be love? A chance that's meant to be. Why only now you came into my life, when all my hopes were broken, when I've learned to survive?
If love is real, then show me how. Why do you come? Why only now? It's hard because we met through social media,
A long distance love that feels so real.
every day you call and send me messages, and suddenly my emptiness can heal.
The boredom fades, my heart's alive, with you to talk to every night.
Why only now you came